It's moving. Very slow, but too fast to be a planet, too slow to be a plane. And usually it's not this bright. So what am I looking at? It's not a rocket launch. It changed trajectory. It was going in that direction. Oh look, now it's changed direction again. Mm-hmm. Significantly brighter than the moon. Look how far it's gone. What is that? Planes don't have that light. They don't tend to turn. It's already gone. Maybe not that many turns, but looks like a drone. Let's see. Now it might be close enough for me to see. It's a drone of sorts. Eh. Hello.